Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm a little bit sick, so apologies for my voice, but I'm back with another video. I'm reviewing Madame Glam's gel polish today. These four beautiful colors from the Sanctuary collection that you can visit on their website. You can also use my code TinyFingers30 for a discount. So let's get started. First, we have Sunset in Florida. This is a gorgeous bright red polish, and it's very nice for every season of the year. Next, we have Keep Moving. This is a very subtle mauve color. I really enjoy these colors for winter or fall. Next, we have this Roadtrip. This is a navy blue, very opaque in the first coat. This is also super beautiful for the fall or for the winter. And next we have Follow Me. This is a very weird color. I couldn't identify very well, like a rusty brownish color, but really nice. So what I did was just cure it for a minute and apply a second coat. I've used Madame Glam's polishes before, and I found that they were a little bit more thick or a little bit stickier on the brush. These ones though were very runny. I don't know what your experience was with this one. Let me know in the comments if you have used them. But otherwise, I didn't have any issues using these polishes. I applied the No White top coat, and you get full coverage in 2 coats. I don't think it's necessary to use a third one, but it will be up to you, of course. The mauve color and the brown one are more neutral, so they're perfect for like a more formal occasion, more elegant. But also the other two are super pretty as well. So I really like the combination and how they chose the colors to be together. All these colors are on the website. I think some of them are sold out, but they're coming back soon, so you can go and check them out there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.